Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we have an Olympiad question here that reads, if sine 2x plus cos 2x is equal to 1 over 4, then what is the value of sine x plus cos x using the identities sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a and cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. Now, let's look at how we go about this. It's very easy, very short, I know, very easy. Now, the first thing we do is to write out the identities we're given. Like my last video, I mentioned that you use what you were given to find what you actually do need, which is sine x plus cos x. So we know from the identities we're given that sine 2, let's use x now in this case, 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. And also, we know that cos 2x is equal to what? 2 cos squared x minus 1. So remember that we were also given, what were we given? We were given that what? Sine 2x plus cos 2x is equal to 1 by 4. Now, since we know this now, so it means that, remember that sine 2x already is given as what? It's given as 2 sine x cos x from the identity. Then cos 2x is given as what? 2 cos squared x minus 1. So the variant thing for me to do is just to substitute the value of these identities, because if you see from what we're given, it's more or less like the identities is what we're given. So we are going to substitute the values of these identities back into the initial, equation that we're given to get what we want. So let's dive right into it now. So we know that sine 2x is the same thing as what? 2 sine x cos x, plus we also know that cos 2x is the same thing as what? 2 cos squared x minus 1. Then remember that everything is equal to 1 by 4 or 1 over 4. Now, what do I do? Remember that I'm looking for what? I'm looking for sine x plus cos x. So everything I do here now is me working my way around getting sine x plus cos x. That's all I'm expected to do. So the first thing I do now is to add 1 to both sides. So my negative 1 here can go to the other side. So if I do that now, if I add 1 to both sides, so this becomes what? This becomes 2 sine x cos x plus 2 cos squared x, which is equal to 1 over 4 plus 1. So if you look at this now, what's common between these two expressions? I can see conveniently that 2 cos x is common between 2 sine x cos x and 2 cos squared x. So if I factorize 2 cos x out, what would I have? So I will simply have 2 cos x out, then I factorize out. What do I have left here? I have just sine x plus what? Plus cos x. Then this is 1 over 4 plus 1 is simply 5 over 4. Yeah, 5 over 4. Now, remember that the whole idea is what? I want to make sine x plus cos x stand on 2, and now it's already standing. So the only disturbance to this is it's multiplying 2 cos x. That's it. So the first thing I'll do is to divide through by 2 cos x, and let's see what I'm going to have. If I divide through by 2 cos x, divide through by 2 cos x, this goes out, right? So I would simply have sine x plus cos x to be equal to what? This firstly is 5 over 4, let's say here, divided by 2 cos x. So this becomes what? 5. I just want to simplify this. times what? This is 1 over 2 cos x. So this becomes 5 by 1 is simply what? 5 over what? This is 8, isn't it? 8. And remember that 1 over cos is what? This is dot. Let's just make it dot 1 over cos x. And remember that 1 over cos x is what? That's second. That's second. So my answer is simply 5 over 8 what? Second x. And that's that about that. This just one page and then you're done already. And this is an Olympiad question. So bye. Like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye. I remain your global math teacher. See you in my next video. Bye.